If you like lemon and lemon color, or you like ocean-colored ice cream in this video, we combine these two makeup colors. Hey friends! Welcome to my new video. As always, I did my foundation and concealer, and set the concealer with powder. To start, I'm using a very warm base shade, a light touch, to even out the lid. With a flat, thin brush, I pick a warm brown and draw a soft line along my crease. This helps add depth to the eyes. Under that line, I use a light eyeshadow to blend and enhance the edge and depth of the eye. Now I'm using an ocean-like color, a cool mix of green and blue with some shine, for the outer part of the lid and our shadow. By the way, sorry I'm not using my voice in the video. I don't have a microphone, and there's loud construction around my house right now. Next, I apply a lemony shade to the inner lid and blend it in. then press a lemony shimmer over it. I'm obsessed with shimmery shadows. I use a non-greasy pencil to draw a very soft, blended eyeliner line because the goal is to mix the lemony and ocean/green-blue shades so they red as shadow. I also use a shimmery brown shade under my eye. Here I don't connect the lower lash line to the upper shadow, and I blend the ends for an anime-like eye look. I apply a white shimmer to the inner lower lid. Then I curl my lashes and apply mascara. pink blush. And finish with a lip color that has a gold shimmer inside the lipstick itself. Super pretty. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.